Hello friends. So today we will check write a C program to find the sum of digits of a given number. Okay. So suppose we are giving like input number 1, 2, 3. Then we need to get the sum of digits 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, that is 6. Like that we need to get. Okay. So first we need to input the number, right? So here we can declare int now. Then we need to print out and your number, then slash n, then scanf. Scanf percentage the comma and right. Suppose this is number, right? 1, 2, 3. So here we need to find out the remainder first. We need to get the each number out. So in that case, we can use 123, we can more by 10. Then we will get 3. Right. Then we need to change this 123 to 12. 123, we need to change by 123 divide by division by 10. Then we will get 12. Again, 12 more, we can check 10. Then we will get the remainder is 2. So like that scenario we need to do. So in this case, we need to use 1, 2. Oh, check your distance. Okay. So here, so here we can declare one more temp variable. We can copy that variable to, we can declare one temp variable. You can initialize this values to 0, equal to 0. Then temp is equal to, we can assign that value to value is then assigned to temp. Then we need to check in the loops where we can use just a normal while loop. While temp not equal to 0. At temp value not equal to 0, then we need to loop this. First we can solve. We need to get the reminder, right? So here we can declare one more variable reminder. That is also 0. So reminder is equal to temp no temp. Then we will get here 123 we will get, then we will get 3 here, right? Then that value we need to add that value to the sum variable. So here we can declare one more variable sum. That also we can just initialize to 0. Then sum plus equal to this remainder. So we will get 3 here, 3 we add it to the sum variables. So now we are getting is 3 in this sum variable. Now we want to change the stem value to here 123 is there. Then next iteration we need 12. So here we can change temp is equal to 10 by 10, right? So here we will get, because this is like integer order, right? So we will get it to, okay. So now we will get it 12, 12 more 10, then we will get it to here. So sum is equal to 3, the current remainder is 2, so we will add to 5, and again 10, 12 divided by 10, then we will get 1 here, 1 not equal to 0, we will get 1 here, it will add the value, right? The sum is equal to 6 now. Then again 1 by 10, that is 0 only, right? So it will exit from this loop. Now we can print f sum of digit in percentage d 123 is, we can put like 6. So we can give none, right? Sum means that is sum. Okay. Now we can just we can run this, enter your number 123. Sum of digit of 123 is 6. That is correct. Next again we can run 456. Sum of digit in 456. 9, 6. That is 15. That is correct. Sum of digit of 100. It is 1. That is also correct. Okay.